So me get the first shot now. I start thinking about my son. Drop across the river. Then I drop. And I get up on my foot. And I realize my foot nah move. I step on it, no matter how I try to step on it, I just realize say, yo, it nah move. And I ride up on the bike. And I'm looking at my eye because me just can't believe I just saw my life I go in. But get me off of the street and get a wall away, bro.
Brace me back against the wall. Put the gun to my head.
My father don't care, you know.
I go from a straight A student to dropping out of freaking school.
They told me that they're charging me for robbery, kidnapping, illegal possession of firearm.
Yo, Wagwan viewers and subscribers. Now this one is about a young man who usually work at the stoplight in Kingston, Jamaica. I met this young man before, but you're gonna learn that throughout the whole video. The thing is, this young man have an interesting story to tell about his near-death experience. I want to know, say, yo, it related to gang violence. Them say, if you can't catch Kwaku, you will catch him shot. So this young man's story is very touching. It's very moving. It's inspiring as well. Someone want to listen to it, you know, give me the feedback at the end of it. Let me know what you think. Cool? Big up on yourself. This is not the first time we meet.
No.
We meet already when you did at the stoplight in Kingston with a white windscreen.
I did never know stoplight.
Yeah, you remember that?
Yeah, man. Can't forget that video day, you know?
Yeah. Now, see we again years after. You know,
It's a
for
blessing.
another update.
It's a blessing, man.
Yes,
It's a
me.
blessing.
So, for the people them who didn't watch the young man at the stoplight, let us give them a little background. Even though this video is not so much about the stoplight. You see me?
Yeah.
It's more about your near-death experience after you get shot up coming from your uncle's funeral.
Yeah.
Still want to give them a little background where you're coming from.
Basically, I tell you that I say 16-year-old, me end up on the stoplight, did a wipe car glass. Because I don't know, as a young youth, I never really a year still. I will tell you the truth.
Yeah, you're not taking.
Yeah, I never did take in as a young youth. I grew up, but
Where you grew up? Where you grew up?
I grew up in Majestic Garden, Kingston 11.
So, how you end up reaching out at the stoplight? What pushed you to go out at the stoplight to start wiping car glass?
It automatically started off as a muster. You know, as a young youth, me and my uncle did it and a muster. Back then, and I say, oh, because them time my mother did end up make me have to come out from 16, because I never a year.
So your mother put you out?
Yeah, basically put me out and tell me, say, yo, when I change up my act, I forward back in. But me and my uncle did a muster and I say, oh, December come and who are going to buy your clothes and who are going to buy this and that. And them time I never wipe car glass because as a young youth, I take out some silver from my mother and put under the aluminum. You see me? Put under the aluminum when she go in a town and I go in the yard and take the silver and trade in my pocket. And my name did a muster. I say, where you get so much silver from?
Yeah, your uncle.
Yeah, where you get so much silver from? So I just look at him and say, I car glass and the wipe. Just hear him say, and it end up that's lead now one argument. I say, oh, yeah, croft, yeah, this, yeah, that, because your wife car glass, nobody in the family never do it. Nothing like that. So I said to myself, I'm not going to make December come. I mean, I have a shoes to put on and everybody clean. You know,
So why you never
same,
just ask your mother for it or your uncle for it?
But you know, the uncle was a younger youth like myself them time there.
Okay.
So it never big like, you know, like big man age bracket for to say, yo, I can ask him for it. And my mother, if I ask my mother, you don't know that go because I never take talk from my mother none talk.
So she wouldn't give it to
So
you?
she wouldn't even give me, she wouldn't give it to me, you know. But you don't know, as a mother, you have to school the child first and make sure say me hear the real way before I'm going to go out there in the street.
So before you reach 16-year-old, you have a rough life coming up in Majestic Garden? Like rough childhood, or was it smooth?
No, more, I wouldn't say a fear childhood in Majestic Garden because I grew up with my father, I grew up with my mother, but we end up part along the journey.
Okay.
So my father did part Ghana country, my mother did in a Majestic Garden. Come on, my father go spend some primary school time from 2th grade to 6th grade, come back cause me say, yo, can't buy the country life, you see me? My mother would give me more opportunity. So my boss will come back at my mother yard, I come back at my mother yard, mother talk to me and never take in same way, but
so going out at stoplight was a choice then on your part?
On my part, I would say.
Yeah, it was a choice. So
On my part.
And a push you get pushed.
No, I never push like nobody forced me to go out there and say, go hunt that for me and bring in money or nothing like that. Me just decide say more things as a young youth in life and me have to make certain steps. I never ask nobody for nothing. Cause I just saw me I waste them. Never like ask people for things.
Oh, okay.
So
okay. Sorry for cut you off. What was the experience like out at the stoplight?
Good, bad, rough, tears. Yeah man, because enough time, I tell you the truth, enough time I up on the stoplight and man disrespect people enough time. And when them disrespect, police come, police now ask who is that or who do that or no. Police just come fling me all in a jeep. First if I get old for your weekend go back till Monday in that.
Yeah.
You see me, I'm gonna go through that about 3 times already. And the last time in there, I remember me up on the cell.
You go through what 3 times already?
Go through jail one. You look at prison after 3. You look at one after 3. And from after 3 I did the minute go Constant Spring. That was Constant Spring. The first time I get locked up, Constant Spring police station, them they bring me up because it made me much more younger.
Yeah.
You know, and
so the police them just come picking up off of the stoplight?
Pick you up man and take you off man. Especially when you come on to Christmas.
Yeah.
Yeah, when they come on to Christmas, you don't know, them don't want to bag of work, so they have to try to make sure so the thing out from early. The team out from early and make sure say vendor, stoplight youth. And worse, the man them out they never hear sometime because enough time, I'm telling you, enough time I have a friend who pass in the car and cry and tell me say, yo, they don't like passes because the youth them disrespect people out there and wet up them car and lick them car and I don't like see that, so I don't really want that gone, you see me?
Oh, okay. But you think you'd go back out at the stoplight now?
No.
No. Zane.
No, I would sometimes I miss the car people, you know. I miss the car people on the next level because they was like my own family. Them buy my bed, them buy my aluminum, buy me much thing to start life when I just at 18.
Yeah.
So I miss the love and support from them and I just want them to know say me alright, but if I go back out there to start everything back, no. We just move on from the part of life there. And I try different things because we have elevators young youth. Now we never born with gold spoon.
Yeah.
That means say we have to sit down there and talk about father never rich and mother never rich. No. You see me, I have to try to make it better for my generation when I come. So we have to grow past the life there.
So what you just said to the other young youth then when they're out at the stoplight right now?
Just save your money and just focus in life and have a dream.
Which high school you usually go?
I never get a chance to go to high school.
So you never got any high school?
Never go high school at all in my life.
Really?
Yeah, I go school, never go junior high, and from junior high I used to go St. Patrick, and from St. Patrick, them did organize a program for you on the stoplight. Some people, Rickman, and the whole program, and it go on good still now because I see the changes in the stoplight at that time, you know, and I think and at the same time range I know you too. The changes that come on the road at that time, but Corona come in and change up everything, so the program shut down. So I know the school program out there. Them start a couple program out there, you know, but I think them for going at the street more and start more program for the youth them in at the street, you know.
Yeah.
That would then change up the whole mindset of everything.
Was Majestic Garden a rough neighborhood for you?
Majestic Garden, rough and it tough, and them always say Majestic Garden is like a college. As you don't say, back to that come like a college.
Yeah.
You see if you don't learn nothing there, so it come like a joking thing. Because you're there in the same place and you see the same man you grew up with.
Yeah.
I run for kill a man down the road. The same man you eat and drink with. I pray for destroy your life. So I just so Majestic Garden say, but you have to just know, say, yo, the ghetto mean get out. You see me? When you get a little chance in life, don't sit down and say, oh, me I sit down at the ghetto because I just my born and grow and all of that. Change up my mindset there and just decide, say, I go out there and start a life on a different journey because everybody have to find them own a kingdom for rule, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, and Majestic Garden is a place where I start out, but I never place where I roll in.
So me always I hear people use, from where I grew up, me hear people say, people use your address when it comes to certain job to determine whether you get the job, yes or no.
Believe me, it real, man. It real.
So
Probably
if
not
you
see
come
that
from a
much.
certain community,
Some people don't want a certain place around them. I'ma say that happened to me because enough people think that you come from the stoplight and wipe car glass. That no mean say I not have the ambition and the drive to go far in life and go harder in life. So them just use that and say, oh, a car glass I'm used to wipe. No, people don't even know some wipe car glass, I'm gonna tell you.
yeah.
People
And not just a chance you want, you just
and
want.
just a chance.
You just need a chance to prove yourself.
Just a chance me they want off of the road.
So we're gonna move into the incident now where you get shot up coming from your uncle's funeral. Right? I know, boy, this probably be a really hard thing for you to talk about, but we'll move to that. Tell me about the incident. First thing first, did you see who actually shoot you?
No.
Never see who shoot you.
So that just come like it just give me a little paranoia against people because I just don't know because I was too massive face youth on the bike. You remember them always say when you're happy. Them always say when you're happy, be careful. And that going from the morning, go down to the funeral. I can't forget. I get up the morning, we end up go work the night because it set away that's like the pay never work out to reach me. I'm go work on the Saturday night and tell him say I want the money for go to uncle funeral. Which in case I say to myself say I nah bother go funeral because for some reason my spirit tell me say don't go to funeral. Sunday morning I wake up me and my girlfriend there. I'm say to myself say I'm gonna just chill with my girlfriend today. Until I get a call from my brother say, yo, nah forward. Don't tell my girlfriend say I nah left the yard. Because for some reason, I just never feel like I go to the funeral. I say, no, so I never did a plan for forward. Man say, I idiot man, never care. Yeah, roll. When the man tell me say I have a car, the man say, yo, he might come over there to meet me.
This is sometimes you have to follow your mind, Sometimes we have to listen to that small inner voice in our head or that gut feelings where we're having in our belly where I tell we say, yo, don't do this, don't do that. You see me? Most of the time we ignore it and push ourselves and go meet with demise. Sometimes I got a whisper in your ear, sometimes he send one little angel. If you say, yo, go and go tell the brother there, go and go tell the sister there, say, yo, don't do this, don't do that. But we ignore it and we push. Some of we live to tell the tales. Many people don't. Because them ignore that small voice or that gut feelings. Push themselves to do something. And them never live to tell the tales. But before we go no further, listen to him have to say about the uncle we're dead. The same funeral we might attend. Listen to him have to say about the uncle. So your uncle died of natural causes, let me ask.
No.
What kill your uncle?
Gang war. Him can't hold who fall and hold him.
Oh.
So me they say to myself, say, you know what? I just go pay me the last respect to him. Can't forget when you took up the casket and say I bring it to the graveside. I don't know if me feel a different way from everybody, but when I look at my uncle at the casket, I say to myself, say, oh, it just feel like something right.
Yeah.
Just by looking at him face in the casket.
Yeah.
I'm come to one woman named Tia. I said, Tia, you know, for some reason, Prophet now look happy. I don't know if I'm me alone I see it or only I see the same thing. But when I say that to my brother too,
Yeah.
he never find the same experience with me I feel.
Mm-hmm.
So, I mean, my brother drive out, sister, my brother-in-law,
Mm-hmm.
my nephew, my cousin, 4 of them in the back seat. Me over the passenger side, my brother in the driver part. We bend the corner. And if we bend the corner now, we reach the stoplight, stop we. Me hear the bike ride past, but me never looking at the direction with the bike there. Me hear click. So me hear click, my brother say, oh, what is?
So the bike come close.
Close to it. I just put me in the car. Me hear click. I don't know if I see me too late with everything when I go on, because my brother spot the play from me here click. I said, no, so I pull my seatbelt, so same time I pull the seatbelt same time. So we are trying to run out of the car.
So what made the noise there? What made the click
Gun.
sound? So it never shoot,
It
it never
never
go
fire.
off. It never fired the first
Never
time.
fired the first time. And it jammed more than one time too. When it passed and we hear click, brother said look and we look, we see bike at turn. When we see the bike at turn now, I see the man now. On the bike back, 2 mass up PSU. One of them on the bike back have the gun. So I see like him a ratchet out something out there. So you see my ratchet out it now. I run out of the car at first, then I go off on my brother. At first, I go off on my brother because they ride him down. So when you run out of the car, they just want somebody out of the family. Yeah, them they just want somebody out of the family. And I just somebody see it. Because they make a move off of my brother and a fire couple shot and flying at the bus. When me run on the bus step, the bus so full, I couldn't get a chance to go in because my body big. So same time the bus, fire shot in the bus. Same time me I run because the bus couldn't hold me because everybody up on the step.
So hold on, your brother make it in the bus
Make
first.
it in the bus